looks like. Oh, it looks so good. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today I will be trying out Starbucks fall drinks. I don't drink coffee, so I'm gonna try like the what is it, Creme Frappuccinos. I saw a few different ones that I'm gonna try, and then I'm gonna do a hot chocolate, but I'm gonna try like the pumpkin spice in it, I guess. I don't like trying new things, but I'm gonna give it a try and see what the hype is about. I don't drink coffee, so I won't be doing none of the coffee fraps. I'll just be doing the cream frappuccino. So today, I don't know which one I'm gonna try. It's either gonna be the pumpkin spice cream frappuccino or the salted caramel. I don't know. So a lot of people try like 4 different drinks in one day.
I'm sorry, but I'm not doing that.
If I like the drink, I'm not drinking all 4 of those in one day. It's not happening. So yeah, I'm gonna do one each day, and then I'm gonna rate them from 1 to 10. Hopefully all of them are 10, but we're gonna see. So I'm on my way to Target. We have a Starbucks in our Target, so I'm on my way there now to get one of these frappuccinos. I kind of think I'm gonna do the salted caramel, but I'm not sure. It's raining today, so but we're gonna try this out. I hope it's good. I don't like trying new stuff. I stick to what I know, but we're gonna see. But guys, check out my hoodie that my boyfriend got me with my business name and logo, Lavish Looks by Kiki. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me, lavishLooks_by Kiki. Let's be friends. Also, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post videos. And yeah, watch some videos and like, comment, and subscribe. So we're about to make our ways to Target. So I have the frap. Let's try. This is what it looks like. Oh, it looks so good. Do it taste good? Guys, I think we on to something. This is very good. Like, I might have to try this from now on. Like, this is very, very good. I like it. I like it. It has the caramel and the salt on the top. You can taste it. This might be my new drink. So, scale 1 through 10. It's gonna get a 10. No lie, I'm giving it a 10 because it's very good. So this is the salted caramel mocha frap, no coffee, milk, and it's good. So I'm gonna try this again. So this is day number 1 of trying Starbucks fall drinks. So tomorrow I'm gonna do another one. I think it's like 3 or 4. So each day I'm gonna do one and I'm gonna record. So it's gonna be like a little Starbucks fall drink vlog, you know? And I'm using my phone, so if I'm not looking at the camera, I'm sorry. I just don't even know where to look at on this damn phone. So stay tuned for day 2 of whatever frap I decide to try tomorrow. See you guys in a few. Go try it.
Playing extremely well.
All right, guys, it's day 2 of my Starbucks shenanigans. So I just got them dropping my kids off. As you can see, it's another rainy day. Rain, rain, rain. Day 2 of this nonsense. So I just dropped my kids off to school. So now I'm on my way to Target to go get another Starbucks fall drink. This one is going to be, I guess, the pumpkin spice. I'm a little nervous about it because I don't eat pumpkin pie. I used to eat pumpkin seeds when I was little, but like that's not the same. So I'm gonna see how this goes. Hopefully it tastes good. But the one I had yesterday, that salted caramel mocha frap, that shit was so good. I'm definitely gonna get that again. So I'm about to go get that, and I also need to go to Target to get a few things. I gotta go to the pet warehouse to get my dog some more canned food, because I mix it with her soft food. But if you guys, I have a video coming on that too, that I went to London to go pick up our family dog. It is a French bulldog named London. So I have to edit that video. I did a whole vlog on that. It was a surprise for my kids. So yeah, I'm gonna have that video coming soon, but we're in the process of training her and it's not so easy. But I must say, for the last 2 days, London has done very, very, very good with her training. She's pooped and peed all outside. All yesterday she had one accident, but other than that she did very good. So hopefully she continues to do very well, because I'm sorry, but I don't have time for the pooping, the pissing in my house nonsense. But back to what this video is about. We're going to Starbucks to try another fall drink, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna do that one, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do like some type of hot cocoa drink, because like I said before, I don't drink coffee, so my drinks are limited. So yeah, let's go do that and see how this drink tastes. Hopefully I can rate it a 10 like the other drink, but we shall see in a few minutes. So let's ride. Here at Target now. First, I'm gonna buy the things that I have to get for home, and then I'm gonna get the drink. Yeah, like my mask. Yesterday I had on a hoodie. Today I have on my mask. My boyfriend got me the hoodie and the mask. So follow me on Instagram, lavishLooks_by Kiki. See, I got my lashes done yesterday. Yes, me and my friend, we're both lash tech. So she does my lashes, I do hers. So if you're in the New York area and need your lashes done, hit me up on Instagram. So yeah, let's shop. All right, so I'm back home because it was raining and I had to get home to feed my pup. So I'm back home. I have the Starbucks drink. I have the pumpkin spice frap, and you can smell the spice. You see it? It's a little melted now, but I also have the Impossible breakfast sandwich. So let's see what this drink tastes like. Tomorrow I'm doing my last drink. It's gonna be a hot chocolate, probably salted caramel hot chocolate, because that drink was a little good yesterday. So yeah, let's see. Smell the spice. I'm not a fan of pumpkin things, but let's try this drink. What's the worst? It can be nasty and I just don't drink it. Nothing's coming out. I hate these damn straws. This straw sucks ass. Like it was stuck in like the ice. Not bad. You can taste the pumpkin, it's not too strong. And you can take the spice, and that's not too strong. But it's not better than the salted caramel frap that I had yesterday. It does not taste better, but it does taste good. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give it like a 8. Not something I would want to drink every day, because I'm sorry, but it's not sweet enough for me, and I like sweet drinks. But I give it an 8. It is good. I'm gonna drink it. Yeah, I'm gonna drink it. And then I have the Impossible breakfast sandwich. Look, they just flopped the shit together. So it has egg, cheese on some type of bread, and a sausage. You could put ketchup and stuff like that, but I'm not. So, let's see. I like it. I like it. It's the Impossible breakfast sandwich. So it's not supposed to have any meat. It's not supposed to sausage, which I don't eat pork. So it's not turkey sausage. It's supposed to be meatless. But you can't even tell. Like, it dead ass tastes like a sausage. Guys, get that Impossible sandwich. It's good. And I like the bread. So guys, so far I've been doing good. Day 2. And that breakfast sandwich, I'm giving it a 10. So that wraps up day 2. Tomorrow, I'm gonna go get the hot chocolate. And let's see what that's about. But I already know it's gonna be good because that salted caramel frap was the shit yesterday. So guys, thanks for watching. I see you on day 3. I'm back. I did not wait until day 3. I have my son's football practice today. Both of my sons have football practice today, so I figured since it's cold and rainy, I might as well go out and get the salted caramel hot chocolate in a grande. Right here. And I'm pretty sure it tastes good because y'all gonna get tired of me saying it, but that salted caramel frap was so good. I will be probably going to get that tomorrow after I drop my kids off to school. But let me show you guys what the inside of this hot chocolate look like. You see it has the salted caramel, the whipped cream, and I don't know what else is in there because I can't see, but you can never go wrong with hot chocolate. I love hot chocolate. And I also got my kids, one of my sons are trying it's so cute, the Fox Cake Pop, and one is trying the birthday cake pop, which my youngest son always gets. My oldest, this one is the picky eater who never eats anything, so now he said, oh, I want to try it, but this one is the greedy one who eats everything. So let's see what they think about that. And then I have the Diva. No. London. I have the Diva in the back seat causing ruckus like always. Right? Say, look at my outfit. She's so damn bad, y'all. The whole time, the whole drive is London, sit down. London, stop. Don't do this. Don't do that.
That's good.
London is about to get shit back home to where she came from, which is London, okay? Princess London is about to be up for sale. Because she is a hot mess. But let's try this hot cocoa.
It's good.
Wait, what did your nose itch? Y'all like it?
Yeah. I do you can.
Like it? Up. So the boys like their cake pops. I already know I'm gonna like this. It's so good.
Yeah.
It's good, y'all. It tastes just like that frap. Nice and sweet. And I'm not gonna even hold you guys. That pumpkin spice, I tried to drink some more of it, but I couldn't. It went in the sink. I did not like it. I think I have rated it at 8. I think I'm gonna change it to a 4. I did not like it. I tried to get my son to drink it and he didn't like it either. So yeah, that's a no-go. But the salted caramel frap, yeah, and the salted caramel hot chocolate. They're gonna be my go-to for the winter. And then I'm gonna wait and see what drinks they come out with during Christmas time, and we're gonna do another video on that. So give me a thumbs up if you like to see Christmas drinks from Starbucks. Oh shit, that's hot. But it's good.
You good?
Yeah, this shit hot. This shit hot. So I will be rating this a 10. So guys, out of the 3 drinks, I'm giving the salted caramel frap and the salted caramel hot chocolate a 10. The pumpkin spice, I gave it an 8 after I tried to drink some more of it. It's going down to a 4. I did not like it. My kids like the cake pops. So that's a 10. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't tried these drinks, I suggest you go out and try them. If you guys tried these drinks or any of the fall Starbucks drinks, leave me the leaves emoji in the comment section and let me know what drinks you tried and you liked. But guys, thanks for watching. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Hit the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post videos. I can't with him. So you're notified whenever I post videos. Again, so you're notified. Hit the post notification bell so you're notified whenever I post videos. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, you already know. Be healthy, be safe, and be blessed.
And I got YouTube channel.
Drinks up.